It's VoicePIN AI module. My name is Marvin. Say 4 numbers.
5,
5. Next.
4,
Next.
3,
3. Next.
2,
2. 5. 4. 3. 2. Save the pin.
yes,
The pin is saved. Say the pin.
5, 4, 3, 2,
Correct. The door is unlocked. The door is locked. Sleeping mode.
Marvin.
Say the pin.
5, 5, 5, 5,
Incorrect. Say the pin.
5, 4, 3, 2,
Correct. The door is unlocked.